to a sustainably developed India 100 Part 7.
What do you do when your TV remote stops working? Hit it against the palm and blow, it starts again? Well, we Indians believe in the power of repair over replace and do not discard the products until they cannot be repaired any further. The world may consider us as a price conscious market, but we are also resource and environment conscious. We have repair shops in every market area across towns and cities, including cell phones, electronics, appliances, furniture, and even tailors who help us in extending the life of the products that we use. The Western world is now realizing the value of these repair shops and are investing in something that we already possess. Upholding these repair shops will help India to easily transition towards a circular economy and help them to be sustainably developed. To know more on this, keep following us at the Green Phoenix Project.